Hey there, YouTubers. That's Lake of the Clouds. That's a previous video. Today's video is going to be a nice semi-stormy day on Lake Superior and then some food. I hope you enjoy it. I know the video's kind of bouncy, I know it's kind of loud from the wind, but hey, that's what life is on Lake Superior sometimes. But as you can see, it sure is beautiful. So I'm going to include some GoPro shots and time-lapse. I'm going to stick in some music, but I'm mainly trying to let you see just how beautiful great days and stormy days can be on Lake Superior in Ontonagon, Michigan. That wind is just blowing so hard. Gotta still be at least 20 knots. Alright, YouTubers. This is that thing I showed you that we got from Walmart for $2. It's been cooking for about an hour and a half in the New Wave Mini. They're normally over $10. So it's a vegan kind of turkey roll stuffed. It's probably going to need a few more minutes because, as I've always told you, if you're using a New Wave Mini, it only goes up to 350, and sometimes you still got to add a little time to it. And in here are potatoes. We're gonna mash potatoes. This thing comes with gravy in a packet too. It's vegan gravy, so you know, if you're looking for vegan meals, give it a shot. If you're not looking for vegan meals, try a vegan meal. You'll be surprised. I'll show you more when it gets closer. Looks pretty good. Smells really good. Alright, YouTubers. Really looks like turkey texture.
That's land.
I didn't do much of the work, but I used the potato rice. They're so much better than any other way to make potatoes. Papa? Alright, you can see it's very windy out there still. So when you go camping, no matter where you go, always be prepared to cook and eat inside. If it's either raining or too windy, there's no way a grill would work today. So I'm going to show you what this meal's gonna be. Okay, first we got broccoli. That's good. Next we got potatoes with the gravy that came with this turkey type roast thing. That's not bad. That gravy's not bad. Potatoes are fantastic. I really like a potato ricer now. Those are good. And we're gonna get a little bit of this here. It's a paper plate sitting on a real plate. There's that fake turkey stuff. Telling you, YouTubers, this is really good. Really good, and No animals were harmed in the making of this meal. There might be some birds being harmed out there if they're trying to fly. Okay, this is probably getting added to more stuff today, so for now, have a great and wonderful day, and you'll get to have one of those again at the end of this video, or however this works out. There's gonna be some music, but I like you to see this and hear it as well. And that's what happens to a GoPro in the wind. The birds playing. I know not for everyone, but I find it stunning. I know my co-pilot's gone, but she will not be forgotten. This little tree, bush, it's amazing how much wind this thing blocks. GoPro, start recording. we're gonna come down when the sun's a little bit further down. So for now, you might be bored, but this is stunning. Beautiful days are stunning, and ugly, nasty days are stunning too. One of her favorite spots to wait for me. Have a great and wonderful day.